Jet planes in the night sky with you. Getting high in the sunrise with you. Getting through all the bad times with you. Oh, wasn't missing a thing I would do. And I wish that I could do eternity. 'Cause I moved on, and now you're gone. Oh, if only I could do eternity. I'd come and get you.
And I've had 7 days since I tried to rip a chapter out my mind. I've tried, and his laugh is just as soft as yours, smiling just as wide. He could be what I like, and his voice is just as dark as.
Okay, so as y'all can see, there's a clean slate here. This is directly over my kitchen. I had something hanging up there above the sink. The dishes are done. So I've got a clean slate there. I'll show you the table. I've gotten everything off the table. This is the only 3 things that are on the table right now. My table's been cleaned off, cleaned and cleared off. And like I said, this is the only thing on my kitchen table. This is just really simple right now. Just some fruit over the microwave, and I wiped the microwave off really good and cleaned that off really good. And then the hutch, we've got a clean slate right there for the hutch. So the next video I do is going to be a fall video because I've got everything clean and done in the house. So all I have to do now is just kind of like mop the bathrooms, mop the kitchen floors, but I've already swept the kitchen floors and I vacuumed everything. So next video is going to be fall, y'all, so stay tuned for my next video. And I'm done with the summer undecorating. Like, share, and subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Thank you for watching and have a great day.